most of the time we think of nurses in hospital settings, right? But there are some that take to the skies to actually help pregnant women who need emergency care.
It's truly incredible. One Arizona woman has been doing this for over 40 years and has helped save countless lives. Troy Lynch, he actually got to meet her earlier this year. She hit a milestone after 4 decades of service. Check this out.
There is no one in PHI that does not know the name Leann.
There's Michael Jordan for basketball, Michael Phelps for swimming. Then there's Leann McGregor for maternal flight nurses.
We transport our moms from anywhere that either does not have labor and delivery services to somewhere that has labor and delivery services.
I'll sit over here or over there depending on who's with us or where equipment is strapped securely. 360, I've done 360.
Leann has been doing this for 40 years and still loves it today. Why? Because she's not only helping the community, but shaping the future of the country with healthy babies.
You hold her hand, you're as a nurse, but you're trying to get as much information non-judgmentally. And the way your tone and your nonverbal approach to them, you can get a lot by just having respect for the patient.
So compassionate and caring and knowledgeable, and she has such a passion for who we take care of and the need that needs to be filled.
Leann is an ASU alum, born and raised in Arizona, and has been helping develop one of the most prestigious maternal neonatal units in the country right here in the Valley, and recently hit an unthinkable milestone of 5,500 flights.
I don't count them. I just
Somebody's doing it.
I know, someone counts it, but I don't.
I think it's absolutely amazing. I think that's probably not even the full amount that she's actually done. I think we lost count at some point. So.
Most of Leann's career has been spent at Sky Harbor, and she says the number of flights has remained steady over the years, but they can see up to 5 to 6 calls in a 24-hour shift.
It's hard. Sometimes it's a sad situation, but our goal is to take care of the mom to have the best outcome for her, her family, psychosocial, and have a healthy baby as much as we can.
Leann says the industry has changed over the years, like the kinds of helicopters they use and also the age range and physical health of the patients.
Outside the valley, they're cute because the level of care is not provided at the small rural areas.
Just following her footsteps is honestly a dream of mine at this point, as well as I'd say anyone at our base. And I think we could just strive to be her.
Do you have an idea when you're gonna hang up the flight suit?
Next year.
Next year?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yes, I'll be of age.
Okay. Yeah. In Phoenix, Troy Lynch, 12 News.
Troy, this is the best. I mean, after going through it and delivering babies, those nurses, they're at that point, at the end of it, I'm like, well, you're coming with me, right?
Well, but also,
they're family.
That's such a scary situation anyway. When you're there, you're doing it in a hospital setting, right? But then you need someone like Leann to step in and help in a different way. And it's just incredible that she's there to help these moms.
I just kind of tried to put myself in like a pregnant woman's shoes, being like, if I was going through this kind of emergency.
That's hysterical.
That's something, right? But I'm just like, if there was anybody who I'd want to help me kind of get through, you want Leann. You just spend 5 minutes with her and you're like, oh, I feel so comfortable. She's so cool. And my goodness, she's saved countless lives, and she does it because she wants to better the future, and she just knows that healthy babies are the way to do it. And so Leann, like I said, she's the GOAT.
I can't believe 5 to 6 calls a day.
Yeah, it
That's
gets
a lot.
up to that, and so those 24-hour shifts, they can be very long.
Well,
they used to have 48-hour shifts. They've kind of switched it, but it's an intense job.
Well, when she hangs up that flight suit, she is like a job well done.
We have to have a party
inspired
for her
so
here,
many.
yeah.
I know, right? We will. Leann, you're awesome.
One more year. All right. As our country celebrates 250 years, we want to celebrate everyday Americans whose service, generosity, and resilience strengthen our communities just like Leann. So if you know someone making a difference, let us know. You can nominate them right now. Just scan that QR code, or you can email us, connect@12news.com.